It's me again. So I was just I wanted to talk to you again because I know I'm not going to have time to write to you. So I thought I'd just tell you everything right now. So here is the other one that the boat goes through, and I haven't been able to find the boat. I think we only have one going today since it's March and they don't really have that many. Anyway, so you go from there, you come in through there, and then it fills up so that you can go through the other side, which is over there. And I'll go over there in just a little bit. Anyways, so I just came back from this panini sandwich cafe restaurant thing where I had ducks. Remind me, I'll show you the picture of my food from the duck. Anyways, so when I was eating there, a group came in, these 3 people, and they sat down next to me and they're speaking English. And I'm like, okay, this is U.S. English, like I can, I hear it, right? So anyways, I asked them, I'm like, hey, where are you guys from? They're like, oh, we're from Texas. They're from like Fort Worth, Texas or something like that. And so I was like, oh, I was in Texas last summer. Anyways, so I get to talk, and one of them lives in the base in Ramstein and works there, and the other 2 are visiting. And I'm going to cross the street here, show you the other side, and you can see how much lower it is from that side to down there. And Dad, I know you want to kayak that. I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah, so that's where you come out. And, actually, besides the one that's 5 feet lower. Alright, well, I'll keep walking. Anyways, so what I was going to say is, I forgot to tell you guys that when I was in Belgium, you can't really see it on the roof of these houses because they don't have them. But in Belgium, the houses have like stepladder houses, and I don't think I ever told you this, but they have stepladders because all the houses, they would use chimneys to heat their houses. They'd have 2, one in the front and one in the back. Well, they would have stepladders on the roof of the houses so that the chimney sweeps could easily get up there and have access to the chimney so that they could clean them. Anyways, this one, I don't remember which bridge it is. It's not this one. There's one bridge I took a picture of, and it's called the Crow's Bridge. Well, back in the day, what would happen was they would use that bridge for when people would come in, because this is a port town back in the day. Whenever people would come in that weren't invited in, they would drown them, and they'd put them in a cage, hang them off the bridge, and then drop them down and drown them, right? Well, what would happen is, over time, as his bodies would disintegrate and stuff would float to the surface, and the crows would like gather around to eat it, and so it became known as the Crow's Bridge. Thought that was a little interesting. But anyways, yeah, I better get going, and I'm having a great time. And Mom, you're gonna hate me, but let me tell you, I love traveling alone. I mean, I've only been alone for like 2 hours now, just doing the boat tour and stuff. But it reminds me a lot of Texas and how I kind of had to go on my own on the weekends. And I don't know, it's really safe as long as you know what you're doing. But I'll talk to you more about that later, because I know you're gonna kill me. So I'll talk to you later, Mom. Bye.